What happens when Suzuki takes their motocross heritage and cranks the dial past 10? You get the all-new 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050, a massive leap into big-bore territory that promises outrageous power, modern refinement, and track-ready capability. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're breaking down Suzuki's bold new flagship, the RM-Z 1050. It's not just another motocross bike, it's a statement that Suzuki is ready to shake up the high-performance off-road scene. Design. From the outside, the RM-Z 1050 stays true to Suzuki's aggressive motocross styling, but scaled up with a more muscular stance. The frame is a lightweight aluminum twin-spar design, built to handle the massive power of this engine while keeping the bike flickable in tight sections. Slim bodywork, modern graphics, and a minimalist look keep the focus on performance. The ergonomics are race-tuned too, with adjustable bars and pegs to fit different riders. Performance. Let's talk about the heart of the beast. A 1,050 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled four-stroke engine that's been tuned to deliver brutal torque off the bottom and relentless pull through the mid-range. But don't worry, it's not all brute force. Suzuki engineered a balanced power delivery that makes the bike rideable, even when the track gets technical. The updated Showa suspension is fully adjustable, designed to soak up huge jumps while staying composed on ruts and corners. Handling is sharp, precise, and confidence-inspiring, even for a bike with this much displacement. Features and technology. Suzuki didn't stop at raw power, they loaded the RM-Z 1050 with modern tech. You get selectable ride modes, traction control, launch control, and a smart ECU that adjusts fueling and ignition on the fly. The lightweight clutch and 6-speed gearbox are built for smooth, quick shifts. Add in premium Brembo brakes, electronic start, and a redesigned exhaust system that keeps the bike within noise regs without dulling its roar, and it's clear this is a serious piece of machinery. Conclusion. So, the 2026 Suzuki RM-Z 1050 isn't just about being bigger, it's about being better. With its blend of raw muscle, advanced technology, and Suzuki's proven durability, it's shaping up to be one of the most exciting motocross releases in years. But what do you think? Does the RM-Z 1050 redefine what a big-bore motocross bike should be, or is it just too much power? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit like if you enjoyed this breakdown, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more deep dives into the latest bikes pushing the boundaries of performance.